Hello, it's barrier with breached. What we have here is a master lock from V-Line. Model must be V-Line. Says it's a 40 millimeter made in China. So I'm going to put in the vise and try to zip it. I'm going to try to rake it. And I'm also going to try to single pin pick it as well. Give me just a moment. Okay, now we're in the vise. I'm going to use this half snowman you see here. I'm going to try to zip it first. Let's get some tension on here. And look at that. First try. I got an unlock. Alright. Now, let's lock it back up here. Just try to see what it's like to rake it. Same tool. Half snowman. I'm going to do a little bit of rocking here. And I'm in. We got an unlock. That was relatively fast, I would say. Now we'll try a single pin pick. I'm going to use the lunatic pick I just got from Sparrows. Alright, let's go ahead. Fill. Nothing on one. Let me see if I can angle this down so you guys can see better. You can't really see my picking. Okay, let's go ahead again and try this. Nothing on one. Click on two. Click on three. Let's go back through again. Nothing on one. So I gotta click on two. Sure, click on two. Good, click on three. And on four. One, two. Okay, nothing on one. Click on two. Click on three. Huh. I wonder why it's taking me so long to get this one. I usually don't. It's gave me a run for my money on the single pin picking. Wow. Come on now. I know you pins just want to go home. Huh. Houston, we have a problem. I don't know why I can't get into this. This is driving me crazy. Especially considering the fact that I just zipped it open and raked it open. Single pin picking, this should have been a breeze. There we go. Got her unlocked. Now, just to show you the keys work good in this. Lock her up here. Put the key in. Perfect. I'll have a better camera angle on my next video. Sorry about that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you like, click like. If you want to see when I post more, please click subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and y'all have a good night.